Claude Code now gives you a 1 million token context window that sounds like unlimited memory. It isn't. In fact, the bigger the context, the easier it becomes to confuse your AI if you don't manage it correctly. The real skill isn't prompting anymore, it's session management. Every response Claude generates is based on everything it can currently see. That includes your instructions, every previous message, every file it opened, every tool call, and every command output. Together, that's called the context window. More context helps Claude solve larger problems, but more isn't always better. As context grows, performance slowly declines. Attention gets spread across hundreds of thousands of tokens. Old information starts competing with new information. This phenomenon is often called context rot. With Claude's million token window, many users notice this beginning somewhere around 300,000 to 400,000 tokens, depending on the task. Just because Claude can remember everything doesn't mean it should. Every time Claude finishes a task, you have 5 choices. Continue if you're still working on the same problem. Use rewind when Claude went down the wrong path. Instead of telling it to try again, erase the failed attempt from history and start from the point before the mistake. Use clear when you're starting an entirely new task. Use compact to summarize the conversation and continue with a smaller context. And use subagents to delegate work into a completely fresh context window, bringing back only the final result. Think of these as tools for keeping Claude focused. Building a feature, stay in the same session. Writing documentation immediately afterward. Keeping the session is often faster because Claude already understands the code. Starting a completely different feature, start a new session. Spend 30 minutes debugging something that failed. Don't keep arguing with Claude. Rewind, remove the failed path, and continue with what you've learned. Need Claude to analyze another repository or verify your implementation or generate documentation? Use a sub-agent so that all the intermediate work stays out of your main context. The million token context window isn't just more memory, it's a resource. The developers who get the best results from Claude Code aren't necessarily writing better prompts, they're managing context more intelligently. Know when to continue, rewind, clear, compact, and let a sub-agent do the work. Master your context, and Claude Code becomes dramatically more reliable.